Good morning, children. How are you? Had fun? Very good. All of you open your EVS Volume 2. Open your EVS Volume 2 course book. All of you open your EVS Volume 2 course book. What's the lesson? Travel and safety. What's the lesson name? Travel and safety. What is it travel? What is it travel? Travels means moving one place to another place. What is the meaning of travel? Moving one place to another place is called travel or journey. Okay? If it is a near distance, if we can go, we can walk, or we can go on our foot, which is a near place. If the place is near to us, we can go to that place by walking on our foot. We will reach the place on our foot. If it is far away, if you want to go to one place that is far away from your place, then we may use a vehicle to go to far away places, isn't it? If it is near to us, the reaching place is near to us, the destination is near to us, we can go on our foot. If it is far away from us, how can you go? We use our vehicle, no? We use a vehicle to reach that place, isn't it? That is also called a travel. Going one place to another place. That may be walk, that may be using vehicle. That is called travel. That is called travel. Travel and safety. What is our lesson? Travel and safety. You know travel. Travel means moving one place to another place. What is the safety? We are using vehicle to go to faraway places. Okay, we are using the vehicle. That you have to follow some of the rules while you are going on a vehicle. If you cross that, if you cross the limits, if you cross the rules, then there is an accident. Where we have to walk? We have to walk left side of the road. That we know already. The vehicles also pass on left side of the road. The persons also walk at the left side of the road. Everybody had to walk at the left side of the road. Okay? Otherwise, if you cross the rule, you are walking in the right side of the road. Right side of the road. Then what would happen? You may get any accident. Okay? So, for that, to prohibit the accident, we have some of the safety rules. To prohibit the accidents. Accidents నుండి తగ్గించుకోవడానికి ఏం చేస్తున్నాము? అమ్మ ఇప్పుడు all the vehicles, this is the road, Nana. We don't have the safety rule. We don't have the safety rules. Safety rules levu. All the vehicles are moving as they like. వాళ్ళకి నచ్చినట్టుగా వెళ్తున్నాయి. ఈ వెహికల్ ఇలా వెళ్తుంది, ఈ వెహికల్ ఇలా వస్తుంది, this vehicle is going like this vehicle is coming like this. There is no way. There is no safety rule. Safety rule లేకపోయిందనుకో ఇష్టం అంటే కొన్ని వెహికల్స్ అటు వెళ్తుంటాయి, కొన్ని వెహికల్స్ సేమ్ రోడ్ అంతా కొన్ని ఇటు వెళ్తుంటాయి, కొన్ని ఇటు వస్తుంటాయి, ఇటు వెళ్తుంటాయి, ఇటు వస్తుంటాయి. అప్పుడు మన రోడ్ క్రాస్ చేయడం కానీ రోడ్లు నడవడం కానీ మనం డ్రైవింగ్ చేయడం కానీ ఎంత ఇబ్బంది ఉంటుంది, ఇబ్బంది ఉంటుందా లేదా? దట్స్ వాట్ ఓన్లీ వీ హ్యావ్ ద సేఫ్టీ రూల్స్ that make our traveling easy. It prohibit the accidents. It is decreasing the accidents occurring. Accident occurring ni కొంచెం తగ్గిస్తున్నాయి. What are decreasing? Safety rules. Okay, here this is a road, Nana. This is a divider. These all the vehicles are going this way, and these all vehicles are coming this way. Now there is no problem to us, no. The traveling is very easy because all the vehicles are going in one directions. This side. Now all the vehicles are going same direction. This from this side. So these safety rules make our traveling easy, and they are decreasing the accident occurring. Accident occurring ni తగ్గిస్తున్నాయి. So we should follow the safety rules. We have to follow the safety rules or not? We have to follow. Why we have to follow the safety rules? To prohibit the accidents. Accident జరగకుండా ఉండాలి అంటే మనం ఖచ్చితంగా సేఫ్టీ రూల్స్ ని ఫాలో అవ్వాలి. We should follow the safety rules. Okay, come to the lesson now. Identify this animal. It is also known by another name. What is it and why it is called so? What are those people ready for? What are they waiting for? What are these people doing? Have you seen in the picture? One animal you have seen in the picture. What is that animal? This is camel. Why is camel is given here? This camel is having another name. What is another name of the camel? What is another name of the camel? Ship of the desert. The another name of the camel is ship of the desert. Why we call the camel as a ship of the desert? Why we call that? Because camel is the only animal. Camel is the only animal that can live without drinking water for 6 months. Understand me? That's what it is used in the desert areas. Because in the desert areas, less waterfall. Desert areas have less waterfall. Chala takku waterfall untundi. Isn't it? It is having less waterfall. That's what desert areas are using the camel as a transport. Normal ga manam ikkada bus, lorry, car, van, we are using these vehicles now. మనం ల్యాండ్ పైన మనం ఇక్కడ యూజ్ చేస్తాం, కానీ డిజర్ట్లలో ఇవి యూజ్ అవ్వవు. Only all the people, most of the people, desert people will use only the camels. It can live 6 months without drinking water. Water తాగకుండా 6 months కూడా 6 months వరకు అది బ్రతకగలదు. None animal is there like that. ఇంకా ఏ animal కూడా వాటర్ తాగకుండా 6 months బ్రతుకున్న animal ఉండదు. And it can carry heavy loads also. Understand me? It can carry heavy loads. That's what it is used in the desert areas. That's what it is called, the ship of the desert. Ship of the desert. Next, what are the people ready for? Where they are going? They are looking like they are going somewhere. They are ready for the traveling. isn't it? And what are these people doing? They are already traveling, isn't it? Next, why do people move from one place to another place? What is this movement called? We need transportation because all of life's necessities can't possible by be available within our reach. We either have to move ourselves to get the things we need or have those things moved to us. The act of people going from one place to another is called travel. People use different modes of means for traveling to other places. Why do we need? Why do people move from one place to another place? Why we are moving from one place to another place? Why we are traveling? To meet our relatives, to go to functions, to buy our goods, our necessities. Different reasons are there to move one place to another place. Why we are moving one place to another place? We have lot of reasons. Some village people are coming to school, coming to the town. Some village people are coming to the town. Why? They are also traveling. Why they were traveling? They are traveling to study. Isn't it? They are traveling to study. Some people, your father is there, is working in another town. He is going from this town to another town. Why he is going? Why he is traveling? To go to work, to do the work. Okay? Like that, lot of reasons are there for the people to move one place to another place. Children are coming to here to study. Elders are going to another place to do work. Some are going to attend the functions. Some are going to see their relatives. Like that, different reasons are there to move one place to another place. This act is called the act of moving one place to another place is called traveling. We have lot of modes, lot of means of transport. We are using lot of vehicles. Once in the olden days, only bullock cart is there to move one place to another place. In the old, long ago, people use only the bullock cart to move far away places. Buses are very rare. Buses are very rare. Chaala takku undedi. Okay, so దగ్గరున్న ప్లేస్కి వెళ్ళాలంటే పక్కూరికి వెళ్ళాలంటే నడుచుకుంటూ వెళ్ళేవాళ్ళరా, లేదు ఇంకొంచెం దూరం ఉన్న ప్లేస్కి వెళ్ళాలంటే బుల్లక్ కార్ట్లో వెళ్ళేవాళ్ళు. Okay, like that, in the olden days they have less means of transport, like auto, rare. Autos are also very rare. Auto, bus, bullock cart. That's it. Auto, rickshaw. These 4 means of transport is there in the olden days. Horse also. But nowadays we have lot of means of transport. You know already, you know very well. Kada mi andariki telusu kada, car, buses, van, jeep, sumo, lorry, tractor, like that, so on. These are the only road transport. Land vehicles only. Okay, like that we have, nowadays we have lot of vehicles to move. Okay, next, identify the different modes and means of travel shown in this picture. Will you identify? Here road transports are there, water transports are there, and air transports are there. All types of transports are given here. Do you know difference between those, among those? A vehicle which travel on land, on the road, is a road transport. A vehicle which moves on water is a Water transport. A vehicle which fly in the air is a air transport. Like the different means of transport is there. In this picture, you can see different means of road transport. You can also observe how people travel short and medium distances by road. Oh, you will have seen lot of vehicles, lot of road transport only. These are all the road transport. We have seen lot of road transport in this picture. Nowadays, people are using a lot of means of transport. మనకి ఇప్పుడు చాలా వెహికల్స్ ఉన్నాయిరా. మనం ఏ వెహికల్ కావాలంటే ఆ వెహికల్లో వెళ్ళొచ్చు. అంత డెవలప్మెంట్ అయింది ఇప్పుడు. అన్ని వెహికల్స్ ప్రొడ్యూస్ అవుతున్నాయి. ఓకే, హౌ డు పీపుల్ ట్రావెల్ లాంగ్ డిస్టెన్సెస్ ఆన్ ల్యాండ్ మోర్ కంఫర్టబుల్లీ? అమ్మ, హౌ డు పీపుల్ మూవ్? హౌ డు పీపుల్ ట్రావెల్ ఫర్ ఫార్ అవే డిస్టెన్సెస్, లాంగ్ డిస్టెన్సెస్? చాలా దూరం వెళ్ళాలనుకో, విచ్ ఇస్ సేఫ్, విచ్ దే ఫీల్ కంఫర్టబుల్? ఇఫ్ యూ వాంట్ టు గో లాంగర్ ప్లేసెస్, లాంగెస్ట్ ప్లేసెస్, చాలా దూరం ఉన్న ప్లేసెస్కి వెళ్దామనుకున్నారనుకోరా, విచ్ ఇస్ కంఫర్టబుల్? ల్యాండ్ ట్రాన్స్పోర్ట్ ఆర్ ఎనీ అదర్? Which is comfortable? Land transport is comfortable or any other is there? Train is comfortable. If you want to go very early means you can go on plane also. Isn't it? So people use if they want to go longest places, చాలా దూరం ఉన్న ప్లేసెస్కి వెళ్ళాలన్నప్పుడు దే ఆర్ నాట్ యూజింగ్ ద ల్యాండ్, దే ఆర్ నాట్ యూజింగ్ ద ల్యాండ్ ట్రాన్స్పోర్ట్, దే ఆర్ యూజింగ్ ట్రైన్స్. దే ఆర్ యూజింగ్ ట్రైన్స్, ఐదర్ ట్రైన్స్ ఆర్ షిప్స్ ఆర్ ద ఎయిర్ప్లేన్స్ టు గో టు లాంగర్ ప్లేసెస్, లాంగెస్ట్ ప్లేసెస్. ఓకే, what about the safety aspects in travel? At least 150 people died in a railway accident near Kanpur in 2016. This is an unexpected, undesirable event resulting in damage or harmful to people and property. What is the reason for such accidents? What are speed breakers meant for? What happens if they are not well designed? What is the need for dividers and roads? Who are responsible for this tragedy? What is happening in the picture? There is an accident. One of the train missed from its tracks. In this accident, nearly 150 people were died. Who is the reason for that? 150 people were died in this accident. Okay, 150 people were died in this accident, and it was happened at Kanpur in 2016. It was really happened in 2016. It was really happening in Kanpur village. In this accident, 150 people, nearly, it is not maximum, nearly 150 people were died, and this is an unexpected event. The people who died in this train, the people who traveling or who died in this train, they expected this. They know they are going to die. Amma, those who died in this train accident, ఈ ట్రైన్ యాక్సిడెంట్లో చనిపోయిన వాళ్ళకి తెలుసారా? They expect that they are going to die? No, it is unexpected, undesirable. means unwanted. It is unexpected, unwanted accident. Why those are occurring? Why those are occurring? Who is the reason for that? Who is the responsible for that? Because the mistake of the driver. Here, Nana, some of the times the planes also crashed. Some planes also crashed. Only for the mistake of the driver, all the passengers died. Mistake is done by only one person. Mistake is done by only one person. Mistake ఒకరి దగ్గర జరుగుతుందిరా, బట్ దాని రిజల్ట్ ఎంతమంది దగ్గర పడిందో చూడండి. Mistake is done by only one person, but the result is on nearly 200-300 people. Okay? Okay? Actually, one person's mistake is the effect to lot of people. It was effect. It's one person's mistake affects a lot of people. So be careful while traveling. Okay, while traveling on the road or anywhere, be careful. You should not do any mistakes. You must follow the safety rules. And sometimes you have seen the speed breakers also while you are traveling on the road. Have seen those speed breakers? చాలా మటుకు స్పీడ్ బ్రేకర్స్ ఉంటూ ఉంటాయి. Why? What is the need of speed breaker? Are they important? Are they necessary? The speed breakers are necessary to us. Are needed? Speed breakers ఖచ్చితంగా ఉండాలా వద్దా? Is needed? Yes, they are needed. Why they are needed? Why the speed breakers are needed? Their only meaning is a speed breaker. Speed breaker. If the person is coming with very high speed, చాలా స్పీడ్ తో వస్తున్నాడు రే పర్సన్, 60 km/h అంత స్పీడ్ తో వస్తున్నాడు రా, దట్ ఇస్ స్పీడ్ బ్రేకర్. Okay, so what he had to do? He had to control his speed. అక్కడ స్పీడ్ బ్రేకర్ ఉంది అంటే అదే స్పీడ్ తో వెళ్ళాడు అనుకోరా, ఏమవుతుంది? ఇంతే స్పీడ్ తో ఇక్కడ కూడా స్పీడ్ బ్రేకర్ తో వెళ్ళాడు అనుకో, ఏమవుతుందిరా? స్కిడ్ అయి పడిపోతాడు. అంతే స్పీడ్ తో దీన్ని జంప్ కొడదామంటే ఏమవుతుంది? స్కిడ్ అవుతాడు, అక్కడే పడిపోతాడు. అవునా? సో అప్పుడు ఏం చేస్తాడు? He may slow down his bike's race when there is a speed break. ముందుగా అబ్జర్వ్ చేస్తారు కదా స్పీడ్ బ్రేకర్ ఉందని వాళ్ళు. డ్రైవింగ్ చేసే వాళ్ళు అన్నీ ముందుగా ఏమొస్తాయో వాళ్ళు అబ్జర్వ్ చేసుకుంటూ నడుపుతుంటారు బండి. సో అక్కడ స్పీడ్ బ్రేకర్ ఉంది అంటే ఇప్పుడు వీళ్ళు ఏం చేస్తారు? ఫస్టే దే మే స్లో డౌన్ ద రేస్. తన బైక్ స్పీడ్ని తగ్గించేసుకుంటాడు 40కో 30కో. Then it was a break, no? బ్రేక్ పడిందా? ఇక్కడ స్పీడ్కి బ్రేక్ పడిందా? 60 స్పీడ్తో వస్తుండే తను ఇప్పుడు ఎంత స్పీడ్లో వెళ్తున్నాడు రా? 40 స్పీడ్లో వెళ్తాడు. మెల్లగా తిని స్లోగా క్రాస్ చేసుకుంటాడు. అక్కడ స్లో డౌన్ చేసుకోకుండా ఉంటే ఏమవుతుంది? స్కిడ్ అయి పడిపోతాడు. సో స్పీడ్ బ్రేకర్స్ ఆర్ నీడెడ్, ఆర్ నెసెసరీ. Our speed breakers are necessary to us that may control the accidents. Speed breakers ఎందుకు పెడతారో తెలుసా మనకు? That may control the accident. ఇంత స్పీడ్లో వస్తున్నవాడు కొంచెం తగ్గించుకున్నాడా? వాళ్ళందరూ అలా చేస్తారు. తగ్గించుకోకుండా అంటే వాడు పడిపోతాడు. సో the slow down the bike speed. This is also one reason to avoid the accident. This is also one step, one precaution to avoid the accidents. Accident జరగకుండా ఉండడానికి ఇది కూడా ఒక precaution. Okay, next, why are responsible? See Anna, a person, a young boy was killed but died in the accident. Who is responsible for that? Who is responsible? Their parents are crying. Who is responsible? Amma, those who are those who are traveling on bike and those who are coming, both should be in control. మనం పర్ఫెక్ట్గా వెళ్తున్నాం రా, బట్ ఎదురు వచ్చేవాడు బాగాలేడనుకో, the accident may occur. We are perfect. We are walking at the left side of the road. We are going perfectly, but the opposite person is not perfect. Then the accident may occur. Understand me? So be careful. You are the upcoming children. In your future, while your father is moving his bike also, you must say to your papa to slow down the race, to slow down the speed ni తగ్గించుకున్నట్టు మనం చెప్పాలి. ఓకే అమ్మ, do you think the way in which the people in these pictures are traveling in the vehicles is safe? Are such practices good or bad? Do they assure safe travel? Amma, you have seen a lot of people are traveling in one vehicle. Here see, lot of people, they did not get inside. లోపలికి వెళ్ళలేరు వాళ్ళు. By catching the vehicle, the stand, they're traveling by catching the vehicle. Is it a good one? Good traveling? What would happen? If anything is happened, means all people may die in this accident. It is not safe. It is very, very bad traveling. They did not get inside. Ever as a local kelalo chudandi, all are by catching the train, by catching the jeep, the stand. So it is a bad traveling. You should not do that. Amma, you should not. In your future also, you should not travel like this. If this is not there, means wait for another vehicle. If the vehicle is full, ఆ వెహికల్ ఫుల్ అయిందంటే మీరు ఇంకో వెహికల్ కోసం వెయిట్ చేయండి, బట్ డోంట్ గో లైక్ దిస్. ఓకే, దిస్ ఇస్ వెరీ బ్యాడ్. ఇట్ మే అక్కర్ ద యాక్సిడెంట్. ఇట్ ఈస్ వెరీ డేంజరస్ టు యూ. If any persons will fell down from this here, they may die. ఇలా పట్టుకున్న వాడు ఎవడైనా కింద పడిపోయాడు అనుకోరా, హై స్పీడ్లో ఉంటుంది ట్రైన్ కానీ ఏ వెహికల్ కానీ, అంత స్పీడ్లో మనం సడన్గా పడిపోయామనుకో, he may die. So it is very, very dangerous. Don't travel like this. Wait for another vehicle. Okay? Today's class is completed. Bye.